Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are making paneer tikka. So let's see how do we make it. For making paneer tikka, firstly we will take a cup of curd in a bowl and we'll whisk it. We have to make the curd smooth. Now we will add in some spices, that is black pepper powder, garam masala, about half teaspoon each, red chili powder, chaat masala, cumin powder, about 1 teaspoon each, half teaspoon of haldi powder and salt to taste. We will mix this all. After this, we will add about a tablespoon of mustard oil and again give it a good mix. I am also adding food color, so a pinch of food color is fine enough. If you want, you can also skip it. After this, I will add about 1 tablespoon of crushed kasturi methi, something like this, and will again give it a good mix. Now I am adding about 300 grams of paneer cubes and will mix it. Make sure that the marinade covers each side of paneer pieces evenly. After that, capsicum and onion as well. Here I have taken 1 capsicum and 2 onions diced, and again we will coat it with the marinade really well. Mix it gently. We don't want our paneer pieces to break. Now I am also adding 5 to 6 mint leaves. If you want, you can also skip it or use mint powder instead. Again mix it and leave it for about 30 minutes at least. Now here after 30 minutes, we will cook it. For that, we will place onions, capsicum as well as paneer in skewers. Firstly, I will add onion or capsicum, after which only I will add the paneer pieces. It will give the paneer pieces a good support. Place it all something like this. Now we will apply some butter microwave it. We will microwave it at convection mode for about 10 to 12 minutes on each side. Or if you have LG microwave with charcoal power setting, then you can cook it on CH1 mode. But then you have to increase the time duration for about 10 minutes. Now we will take it out, turn it, and then again apply some butter on the other side. So till now we have cooked it for about 10 minutes. Now we are turning it and then again cooking it for next 10 minutes. On 210 power setting. Now I will place it on high rack for 2 minutes on grill mode on each side. If you want, you can also skip it. Here we are grilling it for 2 minutes. Again, we will turn these skewers and grill it on the other side for more 2 minutes. Now our paneer tikka is ready. Serve it hot. If you want, you can also sprinkle some chaat masala and you are good to go.